Still managing employees through Excel sheets and WhatsApp messages? When your team grows, attendance, shifts, leave, visits, and payroll become confusing. With TimeIon, you can bulk import all employees in just a few steps. Assign reporting managers clearly so every employee knows who approves what. Connect attendance devices, approve devices, and control punch-in access securely. Track daily attendance, punch-in, punch-out, late coming, and missed punches in one dashboard. For field teams, schedule visits, monitor timelines, and see work updates clearly. Manage shifts, allocate shifts to employees, and handle changes without confusion. Employees can apply leave, managers can approve it, and payroll gets accurate data. From attendance to payroll and reports, TimeIon gives you complete control. TimeIon, simple workforce management.